Hi, Sergey.
Hey.
Looking good.
Good to see you.
It's good to see you.
You too.
It's nice to roll up to Monroe and see a crane. That's a big difference.
Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Sergey. I'm the president of Architectural Mall. Today's clip is regarding the fiberglass cornice installation with Alison, Victoria in Windy City. When we got there and we did the 3D scan, which you saw previously, we started seeing how bad the metal is, but we did not know how bad the substrate or everything behind the metal was. So when our crew started taking the metal pieces out, the brick literally started crumbling on us. So we had to remove all of that brick that was just thrown in there. It wasn't doing anything but providing, I don't even know what to call it, just some filler, I guess. So when we had removed all of that, we had to add additional framing so that our cornice can go on. When we were done, the transformation was unbelievable. In fact, we had almost every neighbor on that block reach out and ask us to rehab their cornice as well. So stay tuned, take a look at this video, and let us know what you think.
Hi, Sergey.
Hey.
Looking good.
Good to see you.
It's good to see you.
You too.
It's nice to roll up to Monroe and see a crane. That's a big difference. Oh, you got the corners.
We did.
Oh, those are so pretty.
Got the corners, and hopefully we'll get that whole entire front elevation done with the cornice as well today. We went up there with the machine, 3D scanned the whole thing so that it's 100% to what it is before.
Accurate.
Yeah.
Not a difference.
Nope.
Just new and
Right.
sturdy.
And fiberglass.
Wow. But it is a huge step for Mike and Jim to actually bite the bullet and make a huge investment with the new cornice and the exterior.